Welcome again. EUC Learn Along. We got to finish up PVS. So in the last, or part A, we looked at PVS. We got the servers stood up. We did go back and enable Pixie and TFTP on server B. So we were trying to look at a enterprise solution, and we were getting some B-sides and some failover issues. So I fixed the B-side issues, but the failover kept failing, and I dug enough or did a correct Google search and found out if you're not licensed, you're going to have issues. So I stopped troubleshooting. So I'll try to get another, what's going on? Another license and figure out if that's the issue. Pretty sure it is. But anyhow, went ahead and deleted that, and I'll probably play around with Windows 11 and an updated BIOS. So delete what we had. But anyhow, we need to look at making this a enterprise solution. I think I did say some stuff about the wizards for connecting to your CVAD site. You don't have to connect to the sites to get the wizards. I was just clicking in the wrong place. Still clicking in the wrong place. But you got the streamed VM wizard, and then you got your CVAD wizard. So oopsie. But no big deal. We're not setting up any of that. But we got the principles down for PVS. So let's get this going. Yeah, back to NetScaler. Alright, so I also, man, my throat is killing me. Mentioned that we got DHCP hosted on our box, and we need to get that set up as well. Alright, there we go. Yep. Alright, so we got some server options to configure. And we'll scroll down and we'll get those set up. I think I passed them. Yep. And boot file name. Alright, so for the boot file name, we need to set that value as I should know this. We saw it in the wizard. Citrix TFTP boot. There we go. Can I copy and paste? Nope. Hard. Hard BP. Hard BP 32. .bin. Pretty sure that's right. RBP 32 bin. RBP 32 bin. I will check this 8 more times because I have a problem. Yes. RBP 32 bin. Yep. RBP. Got it. Stuck in my head now, so I'm good. And we also need an IP address for load balancing. Alright, so let's get a IP address chosen for that we're not using. Actions, refresh, view, refresh. Where's the refresh? There we go. Alright, man, I stacked this kind of weird. All right, we'll do 252. Okay. 192.168.35.252. Is that what I said? 252. All right. So now we just need to do some items that we've done before. Man, my throat. So I got all my favorites. We need to add some servers in here. All right. We got PVS-A and 192.168.35.2. Is it 250 or 150? I might have to borrow you. I could have just looked at DNS, but I didn't. All right, 153 and 150. Way off. All right, create. We'll hit add again. 153. All right, enabled. Looking good. All right, so we got our servers A and B. We'll go ahead and create a monitor for TFTP. Do we already have one in here? Oh, excuse me. Nope. So we got storefront. I created that one. All right, so we'll create that. TFTP. All right, we'll use user. Custom applications, NetScaler. Yes, yes, yes. And the script we will use is NetScaler TFTP. I think we're good. All right. All right, so we got servers, monitors. Let's create a service group. I did mess around with the subscriptions on my own. Got that set up, even though it's not needed. And we'll just click this and hit add. And we'll call this load balance PVS. Let's keep it all the same. We need to change the protocol to match what we're monitoring. Everything else looks good. We need to add in our servers, port 69. Need to add our monitor. TFTP. Went way past it. Hit done. Things are looking good. And now we need our virtual server. Alright, so again, we will just copy one of these. PVS protocol will be TFTP. We are doing 252. Throat. 252. There we go. All right, port 69. Port 80 TFTP is port 69. Good. So I know I got the right port that we're monitoring. Anything else? Nope. I think we're good. And we need our group. Anything else we need? I'm going to set this to round robin. Profiles, protection, policy, nope. All right, I think we're good. Everything is green. If we go back to our service group, click here, go to stats. All right, we are good to go. All right, so we should have our service for PVS up and going. Everything looks good. So we created a monitor, we added in our servers, we created a service group, or we could just have created it individually. I like having it like this, and we got a virtual server. Looking good. So I think that's it. Got our boot file name. We got our IP address. Again, I've deleted the store, so I won't be testing any of that. Citrix, PVS. Yes, I did try to get that. Load balance. Load balancing. I think this is the wrong doc. Yes. Should be a KB on this somewhere. TFTP. Now we're just watching me Google. Anyhow, there's a Google KB somewhere. It's not super helpful. Maybe I should just Google. There it is. Oh man. Here we go. Port 69, load balance, TFTP, bind, virtual, create a monitor. It's pinged by default. You can pick the script, bind it. Anyhow, there you go. How to load balance PVS server and NetScaler. So I'll post this in the link, or not the link, the blog. But I think there's some other stuff missing, but I think the DHCP options is set in the setup that you can find in the other links that I posted. Or you can use our other pals, other people in the community, and they probably have this already documented. But I don't have a license, so I think that's why the failover for the streaming is not working. But I did fix the BSOD issues. I just removed some hidden devices and tested that out quite a bit, along with trying to figure out what failover didn't work. And then, again, I guess I typed in the right thing in Google, and it told me if you aren't licensed, then it's probably not going to work. So, yeah. But anyhow, now we're incorporating all these other tools that we're learning and putting them all together. So we got a redundant setup for PVS. We got 2 servers, both hosting TFTP and Pixie. So we can probably patch. I say probably because we're not licensed. We can patch A. We can patch B. Everything can fail over, even though I couldn't show that. Without interrupting services. Yeah. Am I missing something? I don't think I am. License, that's what I need. I need to get a license to actually prove this out. And I think we got everything done. Oh, gotta save. There we go. That was gonna bother me. And now we're load balanced. Anyhow, I'm running out of space. Yes. So I'll probably tear down PVS as we won't use it. We'll leave this stuff in here as a reference. But maybe we'll revisit it if I can get a license. But hope you learned something.